How to fix Outlook something went wrong error. Method 1. Disable antivirus. Locate your antivirus icon in the system tray. Right-click on the icon and select Disable or Turn Off. Choose the time duration you want to disable it for, preferably the shortest time to test. Try accessing Outlook again. Method 2. Enable cookies for your browser. Open Chrome. Type Chrome. Settings, Cookies in the address bar. Select Allow all cookies. Method 3. Check for browser updates. Open Chrome. Type Chrome. Settings, Help in the address bar and hit Enter. Check the status of your update. Method 4. Reinstall browser. Uninstall Chrome from your computer. Download the latest version from the official site. Install Chrome again and check if the issue persists. Method 5. Clear browser history. Press Ctrl+Shift++ to delete on your keyboard. Select all time in the time range. Click Clear Data. Go to the Advanced tab, select All Time, check all options, and click Clear Data. Method 6. Use a third-party email application. If none of the above steps work, consider using a third-party email application that supports Outlook accounts.